Display size. OnePlus 12R is 6.78 inches. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 6.8 inches. Display resolution. OnePlus 12R is 1264 into 2780 pixels, with 450 ppi density. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 1260 into 2844 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Display type. OnePlus 12R is LTPO 4AM OLED. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is LTPO OLED. Display protector. OnePlus 12R is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kunlun Glass 2. Operating system. OnePlus 12R is Android 14, Oxygen OS 14. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is EMUI 14.2, International. Chipset. OnePlus 12R is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kirin 9010. Processor. OnePlus 12R is octa-core processor. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is octa-core processor. GPU. OnePlus 12R is Adreno 740. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Maloon 910. RAM. OnePlus 12R is 8GB, 12GB, and 16GB. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 12GB. ROM. OnePlus 12R is 128GB and 256GB. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Front camera. OnePlus 12R is 16MP wide-angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 13MP wide-angle camera with HDR video recordings. Back camera. OnePlus 12R is 50MP wide, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 50MP wide, 48MP telephoto, and 12.5MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. OnePlus 12R is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Battery. OnePlus 12R is 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 5050 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. Spec winner.